Immerse yourself in a visual feast with the Honor MagicPad 3's breathtaking 13.3 LCD display, featuring a crisp 3.2K resolution that brings every detail to life. Whether you're watching your favorite movies or diving into a new game, the stunning clarity and vibrant colors ensure an unparalleled viewing experience. The 165 Hz refresh rate further enhances your interaction, providing smooth and fluid motion that makes everything from scrolling through apps to high-speed gaming a delight. This display is crafted for those who demand the best in visual performance. Experience the pinnacle of performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor powering the Honor MagicPad 3. This cutting-edge chipset ensures lightning-fast processing speeds and seamless multitasking, allowing you to switch between apps effortlessly and handle demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or running multiple applications simultaneously, the MagicPad 3 delivers the power you need without breaking a sweat. Coupled with a massive 12,450 mAh battery, this tablet is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, offering extended usage without frequent charging. Transform your entertainment experience with the Honor MagicPad 3's IMAX Enhanced label, a testament to its superior audio and visual capabilities. Enjoy movies and videos like never before, with cinema-quality sound and immersive visuals that transport you into the heart of the action. This feature, born from Honor's partnership with IMAX, ensures that you receive an unparalleled audiovisual experience, making your media consumption more engaging and lifelike. Whether you're a movie buff or a casual viewer, the IMAX Enhanced technology elevates your content to a whole new level of enjoyment.